Good morning to all. Good morning to all. Please switch on your
morning,
video.
sir.
Good morning, Ananya, Ashwin, and Ashwita. Is
Good
name
morning,
given?
sir.
Good morning. Vivo 1915. Who is that? Huh? V1 is given cell name. Ananya. Okay. Okay. Once again, good morning. Please mute everyone. Mohammed Maza. Okay. Clear. Ashwin Kumar. What are you doing? Okay. In the last class, okay, means in yesterday class, there is a lot of network problem and also headphone problem and camera problem. Okay, that's why nothing will be done in the last class. But I in to the WhatsApp, I sent some of the problems. Okay, some exercise numbers 4.1 and 4.2. Okay, all are done the problem. Everyone got solutions. Everyone got or not? Tell me. Huh? Got solutions? Yes or no? That only I want.
Yes, sir.
Every problems you got a solution. Who is that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, but some of them don't know the solution. But I thought that I think around 150% students just tried. Okay, just they tried, and some of them got the solutions. Okay, I think they're all what I did in the last class. Okay, they're all 1 mark problems. Okay, they're all 1 mark problems. Okay, don't worry. But in this class, I'm going for higher level problems. Okay, higher level problems means little bit 2 mark questions. Okay, all are 2 mark questions, and next class 3 mark questions. Okay, write the heading graphical graph of a linear equations. Graph of a linear equations. Okay. Graph of a linear equations in 2 variables. Graph of a linear equations in 2 variables. Very important concept. Here in examination, you have you will have a problem for 3 marks. A graph of a linear equations in 2 variables. Okay. So far, we in the last class we already learned. Okay, what is that? How to find the solutions. How to find the solutions for linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, how to find solutions means they are given one equation. After that, what we did, put x is equal to 0 and we get the y value. Hey, please mute everyone. Who is that? Tansin, Anjum, Sunita. Sunita. Okay. How to find solutions? Okay. They are given one equation and next step what we did, put x is equal to 0, we will get y value. Next, x is equal to 1, we will get y value. X is equal to 2, x is equal to 3, like this. And also we write in the form of what? X comma y. Okay, this is a solution and this is also called ordinate. Do you know the word? Ordinate. Okay, in last class I already told ordinate. Ordinate means this is a solution. Okay, this is a solution for the given equation. Okay, in this class we are going to represent a linear equation in 2 variables through graphical method. Okay, graphical method, it is very easy method. And also what the linear equation, the corresponding points should be plotted on the graph sheet. Okay, they are given one equation. Simply consider x plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, simply x plus 2y is equal to 6. This is linear equation in how many variables? One variable or two variable? Two variables. Okay. Now how to plot or how to draw the graph for this equation? How to draw the graph? Simply in examination they will asking draw the graph for x plus 2y is equal to 6. That is the question. Draw the graph. Okay, or geometrically represent the following equation. Geometrically or maybe graphically, both are same. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Here, what is the first step we should be do is x value, y value. First, we should make the one table like this. Okay, do at the same time x, y. Here in the equation there is a small changes. X plus 2y is equal to 6. Therefore, 2y is equal to what happens? 2y is equal to what happens? 2y is equal to what happens? 6 minus x. Yes, 6 minus x. Write it fast. Y is equal to 6 minus x by 2. Is it right? Okay. 6 minus x by 2. This is the value of y. Next step, I should be give values for x and find out the corresponding value of y. Okay, first number, what is the easiest value we should be given to the x? First, starting from 1. Put 0 first. 0. Easiest values. X is equal to 0 means y is equal to 6 minus 0 by 2. Therefore, y is equal to 6 by 2. That is equal to S. That is equal to 3. Write 3 in this year. Okay, this shows for x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. Okay, y is equal to 3. This is one solution. Okay, this is one solution. Okay, next in the second column is there. Next, what is the value given to the x? Which value?
0.
0 is over x.
1.
Okay. Say x is equal to 1 means 6 minus 1 by 2, that is equal to 6 minus 1
5
become
upon
5 by
5.
2. Yes, see, this is fraction. Yes, this is a fraction. It comes nearly, what is the value? Exactly 2.5. Okay, therefore it become difficult. Okay, it is difficult to plot on the graph. Therefore, we don't want to take a risk. Leave it. Don't consider x is equal to 1. X is equal to 2, take it. X is equal to 2. Therefore, it become 6 minus 2 divided by 2. That is equal to 6 minus 2 become 4 divided
4.
by 2. That is equal to 2.
2.
Therefore, I am getting whole number. Therefore, for x is equal to what? 2, y is equal to 2. See, I am considering whole numbers. Okay, I am taking whole numbers and also I will get whole numbers. But at any time during the graph time, okay, mathematical graphs, don't take fractions. Clear? Don't take fractions. Okay, answer will be the same, but we don't want to take a risk. Okay, these are the easiest values. Okay, next, tell me, what is the next value for x? What is the next value
4.
for x?
4.
Yes, 4. Don't take 3. 6 minus 3, it is 3. 3 by 2 become 1.5. Again, I will get fraction 3 by 2. Therefore, take x is equal to 4. Therefore, it becomes 6 minus 4 divided by 2. 6 minus 4 become 2 divided by 2. Therefore, 2 by 2 become 1.
1.
Therefore, for 1, y is equal, for x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. Therefore, we got how many solutions? 1,
3.
2, 3 solutions. Right, we got 3 solutions. They are enough. But in your examinations, okay, it is not necessary to calculate 3 solutions. Okay, 3 are no need. 2 solutions enough. Clear? 2 solutions are enough. Means you have to consider 0, 3 or 2, 2. Enough. Therefore, 2 points are enough to plot the graph. Okay. Therefore, this is the table. Okay. Based on this table, we have to plot the graph. Graph sheet, you know, all are having graph sheet. Let's take a graph sheet.
Yeah.
Yes. And also, I think in the 8th standard also, you know the graph. Okay, graph for linear equations, how to plot the graph. You don't know or no?
Don't know.
You know the graph, how to plot the graph, coordinate plane, x-axis, y-axis, you know or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just x-axis, y-axis, and plus x, minus x, plus y, minus y, origin, and scale. Okay, see, I will show. See in the graph sheet, some disturbance. Here you are having some dark lines. Okay, in any dark line, okay, you should be draw the line first. Like this. Draw the line at the same time. Do it fast. Okay, this is vertical line. And draw the line like this. Enough. Like this. Clear? Two lines. Here two lines are coincide at this point. This point is called origin O. Okay, therefore point O is called origin. Point O is called origin. Okay, now reply fast. This is the origin. This is right side. Clear? This is right side and this is left side. Towards right, which axis? Towards right, x-axis.
X-axis.
Right? Therefore, right arrow mark and this is x. Clear? And this is the origin. This is left side. This left side become left side.
X1.
No.
X1.
X dash. Okay. X dash you should write or x1 you should write. No problem. Okay. Write x dash. X dash. Otherwise you can write minus x like this. See this? Minus x you can write. Otherwise x dash. Okay. This is the origin and in the upside, which axis this is?
Y axis.
Y.
Y.
And downward, it is minus
Y dash.
or y dash. Y dash or minus y. Clear? This is the coordinate plane. Next, we should mark out the scale.
Numbers.
Scale. Okay, scale means here, this is the origin and mark out this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, towards left, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, plus 4 or minus 4 towards like the left. Towards left, you have to take minus.
Minus.
Yes, therefore, minus 1, minus 2,
Minus.
minus 3, minus 4. Continue. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. At the same time, towards y-axis, plus y-axis. This is actually plus, but we can't write always. This is 1 from the origin 0, 1 and 2, 3, 4. This is 5. Enough. 5 points. Next, during downward direction, minus y-axis or y dash. These are all negative values. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Enough. See, in my solution, okay, here in the solution or in the table, we are not having negative values. Is it right? Okay, we are not having negative values. Okay, we are taking only positive values. Therefore, it is easy to plot the graph. Okay, very easy. Okay, for this point is what? 0, 3 means x is equal to what is the value? 0.
0.
And y value it is 3. Okay, y value it is 3. X is equal to 0 means origin. Mind it. X is equal to 0 means origin. Y is equal to 3. That is plus 3 or minus 3?
Plus 3.
Plus 3.
Plus
Therefore,
3.
plus 3 means what is the direction? Towards up or down?
Upwards.
Upward direction. Is it right? Therefore, 0,
Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3. This is the point. Mark like this. Point. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 3. This is the point, and nearby you can write 0, 3 like this. Okay, this is the method.
Yes,
Nearby you can write 0, 3. And what is the second value? X is equal to 2, y is equal to
Y is
2.
equal to
X is equal to 2, y is equal to 2. Okay, plot. X is equal to 2 means 0, 1, 2 is here. Okay, 2.
upward is 2.
From this
Upward.
point, y is equal to 2
Upward.
means towards
Upwards.
upward.
Upward.
Okay, from this
Upward.
point, 1, 2. Therefore, this is the point. Nearby, you can write 2, 2.
2, 2.
2, 2. Next, third point is 4, 1. X is equal to 4, y is equal to
Y is
1.
equals to 1.
X is equal to 4 means here 0, 1, 2,
4.
3, 4. 1 means towards up. This is the point. Yes. Here,
Yes.
when we come down means we will get 4. X is equal to 4 value. We are moving towards like this. We will get y is equal to 1. Therefore, it is 4, 1. Write like this.
So root.
4,
Finish.
1. Next step, what is the next step? Next step, 3 points are over. Therefore, these 3 points
Scale.
join through the scale. Like this. Okay, join through the scale. And there is another one. See here. In both the sides, mark the arrow mark. See the arrow mark. Right arrow mark like this. See, arrow mark is here, arrow mark is here. And if it is possible means give the name for the line AB. Okay, it is no need, but if you are right means it is good.
Okay.
Okay, this is the line. But in the first, we are not writing the scale. Scale means what is the measurement for x-axis? What is the measurement for y-axis? X-axis. Next, y-axis. X-axis, y-axis. Okay, what is the scale? As anybody you know?
1.
1. See, from 0 to 1 or 1 to 2 or 2 to 3, 3 to 4, every box, this is 1 centimeter box. Is it right? Okay,
1
every
unit
box
is
is
equals
1
to
centimeter.
1.
Therefore, take it 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Enough. For y-axis also it is same. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit.
1 unit.
Okay. X-axis 1 unit is equal 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Okay. This is the finalized graph. Okay. In your examination, they will ask for 3 mark. Okay. Plot the graph for the following equation. Okay. Here, this is the question. See, we know why we draw this arrow mark on both the sides. What is the indication? What is the indication of this arrow mark?
Sir, it will
So the
move
line has
no
stopped.
end point.
As no end points means the line continue on both the sides. Okay, that is one of the reason. And also, we already studied the linear equations in 2 variables has infinitely many solutions. Is it right? Okay. The linear equations in 2 variables are having infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solutions, how to get? You have to draw this line. You have to expand this line on both the sides. You will get infinite solutions. Okay. Extend this line on both the sides. You will get infinite solutions. Okay. Clear. This is about graph. Okay, every point on the line, okay, every point on the line which satisfies this equation. What is the equation? X plus 2y is equal to 6. Okay, this is the given equation. Every point on the graph or on the line which satisfies the given equation. Satisfies the given equation means what is the meaning? 0, 3 we know. This is a solution. If you put this 0, 3 in a given equation, we will get LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, LHS is equal to RHS. At the same time, 2, 2, it is also satisfied. 4, 1, this is also satisfied. And this line coinciding here. And what is the value? This what is the X value for this?
6.
Yes, 6. What is the Y value?
Minus 6.
X value 6. Okay, what is the Y value?
0.
Y value it is 0. Is it right? Okay, Y value it is 0. Therefore, at this point, what is the solution? What is the solution for the equation?
6,
0,
0.
6, 0.
6, 0. 6,
0.
0. Therefore, put 6, 0 in this equation. 6, 0 means X is equal to 6 plus Y is equal to 0 means 2 into 0 it is 0. Therefore, is equal to 6. LHS become equal to RHS. Clear? Okay, therefore our graph is right. Okay, clear? This is the method to plot the graph. Okay, next problem, you can do it. Okay, everyone have any problem, any doubts regarding this graph?
No, sir.
Okay, next problem fast. Draw the graph of X plus Y is equal to 6.
7.
X plus Y is equal to 7, not 6. X plus Y is equal to 7. Let's draw the graph fast. Any doubts means ask now. X plus Y is equal to 7. Easiest solutions you can find out. 2 solutions are enough. Okay, 2 solutions are enough. But if you want means get another 2 solutions. That's your interest. Therefore, Shreya KS, where is Shreya? Okay. Deepak Y. Okay, what is the first solution? X is equal to table. X is equal to
0. 0 and
X
7.
is equal to 0. Therefore, Y become
0, 7.
0. Okay.
7.
Next, second solution. Second solution, Madan. Is the second solution.
X is equals to 7. Y is equals to 0.
Yes, the easiest solutions. Okay, it's right. X is equal to 0 in the first step. Y is equal to 7. Next step, y is equal to 0, x is equal to 7. Or you can take x is equal to 1, 2, 3, no problem. Okay, you will get the solution. Let's draw the graph fast. See,
So we can't see a working sheet, sir.
yes, I'm not showing.
Okay.
Draw the graph. Okay, old graph. Let's write it. Coordinate planes first, x-axis, y-axis, and 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. X is equal to 0, y is equal to 7. Another on graph sheet is so this is x and origin. Therefore, write the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enough. This is plus x-axis and minus x-axis means minus 1. I shall write only minus 1 because in the solution I am not having negative values. Therefore, along y-axis plus y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enough. This is y. And negative values minus 1, minus 2. Enough. Therefore, this is y dash. And this is x dash. This is the coordinate plane. Okay. First write the scale. Scale you can write. Same scale. Okay. Last problem same scale. Okay, if any changes means I will tell. Okay, x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Enough. Same scale. Okay, what is the first solution? X is equal to what? X is equal to 0.
0.
X is equal to 0 means origin. Yes. Okay, x is equal to 0. Y is equal to 7 means what is the point? Yes, Bhumi, Bhumi, it's right. Showing 0 and y is equal to 7 means this is the point. See, y is equal to 7 and this is 0, comma 7. And next, x is equal to, next solution, y is equal to 7. Sorry, x is equal to 7, y is equal to 0. X is equal to 7 means this is the point. Therefore, 7, comma 0. 7, comma 0 and draw the straight line. Enough. And arrow mark. Arrow mark like this. Okay, enough. This is the graph. Okay, clear. Deepak, right. Oh, Deepak, why? Draw the line, draw the straight line. Yes. Right. Okay. Okay. I think two problems are over. Okay. I will give another. How many problems are there? Here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 problems are there. Okay. You can first find out the solutions for these equations and next graphical method. Okay, write the equations fast. Okay, these are homework problems. 4 questions, 4 equations. Okay, 4 equations. Madan, Udumita, Tarun, Shivali, Srivalli. Okay, write the problems here. Draw the graph for each of the following linear equations in 2 variables. Write this one, A, B, C. X plus y is equal to 4. X plus y is equal to 4. Next, x minus y is equal to 2.
X minus y is equals to
2.
2.
2. Next, y is equal to 3x. Y is equal to 3x. Nivedita, yes. Where are you? Nivedita, M. Okay. Next, next equation, 3 is equal to 2x plus y. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. 3 is equal to x plus y. Okay, these are homework problems. You can do it. Okay, on the 4 graph sheets. Okay, you can do it. Here, okay, this is all about graphical method, and also regarding this linear equations in 2 variables. Okay, another some sentence problems are there. Okay, sentence problems. Okay, they are little bit difficult. Okay, little bit difficult, not too much, but those problems are very important. Okay, according to your as for your competitive exams. Okay, means NTSC, KVPY, or any other exams. Clear? Okay, there those sentence problems I will do it in the next class, but now you should draw the graphs for the given equations. Okay.
Sir, you said you will do the last class.
Yes. No, last class means just I repeat the previous session classes. Okay, homework problems I given in now. Okay, in the WhatsApp I sent some problems. Those problems I did. Okay. Here the time is less. Okay, it is less than 1 minute. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you,
Read
sir.
well. Read
Bye,
well.
sir.
Bye,
Have a
sir.
good day.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.
Bye, sir.
bye, sir.
Bye, sir. Have a good day.